love. I made her toast. She made me bacon. We're going to do Jawny, Sabotage My Love. I'm going to teach you the riff, and then I'll teach you the chord progression. And then for those of you who need it at the end, I'll show you how to play the chords. All right, the riff is played on the 7th, at the 7th fret. Mostly we're going to be using the A string, the D string, and the G string. Okay, on the A string, we're going to be playing 7-10, 7-9 on the D, and 7-9 on the G. That's all we're going to use. I think it starts you could climb up into it, or you could just start on that triplet. That's at the G string on the 9th fret. Play it 3 times. Play the 7 on the G string once, and then go to the D string and play the 9. That's the first phrase. And then after we're here. Then we go to the 7 on the D string. Go climb 9 on D, G on the 7. Then we go climb back down 9 7, 10 on the A, 7 on the A. I'll play it real slow for you, so if you need to, you can rewind it. All right, one more time. That riff is being played most of the song, but like if you were doing an acoustic, you would play a E, G, A. Stays on E for like 4 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, it stays on for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. A, it stays on for 2 measures. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. And back to the E. You notice I'm muting with my side of my hand, doing a karate chop. And you can rest your hand right on the strings to mute as well. All right, now how to play these chords for those of you who are beginners. E is index finger on the G string at the 1st fret. Middle finger on the A string at the 2nd fret. And you got your ring finger on the D string at the 2nd fret. You play all 6 strings. Alright, and then G is pinky on the high E at the 3rd fret. Middle finger on the A at the 2nd fret. And ring finger on the low E at the 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings if you want to. And A is played on just 5 strings from the A down. And we play at the 2nd fret, we play the D. You could play that with your pointer finger. The G, you could play that with your middle finger. And the B, you could play that with your ring finger. You can also play it with one finger and bar it. Or I play it with two fingers sometimes. Okay, and that's how you play Jawny. Sabotage my love. Okay, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.